Welcome to 10 Sawmill Lane, where Mother Nature meets estate living. Cradled between Richmond Hill and Stouffville in the hamlet of Gormley, this Upper Canada post and beam home is conveniently located minutes from Highway 404 and the Gormley Go Station. Sitting on almost 1 acre, this charming home is surrounded by million-dollar estates on a quiet cul-de-sac. You will immediately fall in love with this one-of-a-kind home. Beautifully manicured lawns and gardens at the front and an ultra-quiet forested ravine backdrop make this a truly tranquil setting. As you enter through the main door, you will be greeted by a double-storey foyer and immediately be in awe of the spectacular post and beam ceilings throughout. Large windows, tall ceilings, and gorgeous Brazilian cherry main floors create a warm and inviting ambiance. On the left side of the house, there is a beautiful open-concept kitchen featuring stainless steel appliances and an oversized island. The kitchen overlooks a spacious sitting area that doubles family room and is perfect open concept layout for today's lifestyle. Just off the kitchen is an oversized breezeway that can be used as a mudroom or an all-season solarium retreat. Located to the right of the main entrance is the combined living room and dining room. This grand space is complemented with a wood-burning fireplace and a striking new Juliet balcony that welcomes the lush forest indoors through the double French doors. At the back of the house is a cozy nook that can double as a library, office space, or perhaps even an eat-in breakfast area. The possibilities are as endless as your imagination. There are 2 bedrooms on the upper level, each with its own newly renovated ensuite. The second floor has newly installed engineered hardwood floors, new light fixtures, and extensions to both bedroom closets, giving way to ample storage. The fully finished walkout basement features an additional 2 bedrooms, a newly renovated 3-piece bathroom, a laundry room, a great room, and a kitchenette. Thank you for visiting 10 Sawmill Lane. A little bit of country, a little bit of city, and bar none, a whole lot of serenity.